In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a social security number mismatch e-file reject on TurboTax. A social security number mismatch reject usually means the number, name, or birth date on your return doesn't align with what the Social Security Administration has on file. Most of the time, it's a simple typo or a transposed digit. I'll walk you through the exact path in TurboTax to correct it and get you back on track. Start in your TurboTax return and head to the My Info section. This is where your personal details live. Once you're there, select Revisit so you can review what's already entered. You'll see a few informational screens as you move forward. Just click. Continue to proceed through them until you reach the part of the interview that deals with your personal identifiers. When you see the option labeled SSN or ITIN, select it. This takes you directly to the field where your Social Security number is stored. Now, carefully re-enter your SSN exactly as it appears on your Social Security card. Type the digits slowly and deliberately. Don't include spaces or dashes, just the numbers. Pay extra attention to common slip-ups, like swapping 2 digits or repeating a number by accident. If the e-file reject message named a specific person on the return, make sure you're updating it for that person's profile. After you've verified the number, choose Continue to save your changes and move forward. TurboTax will use this updated information the next time it checks your return, which should resolve the mismatch if a typo was the cause. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you use an ITIN, make sure you selected the SSN or ITIN area correctly and that the number is current. If you've had a recent legal name change, be aware that an e-file can still reject if the Social Security Administration doesn't yet reflect your new name, even if it's updated elsewhere. In that situation, the mismatch isn't about TurboTax, it's about what the SSA has on record. Once SSA shows the correct information, the e-file match works as expected. Finally, remember to keep your sensitive information secure. Only enter your SSN directly inside TurboTax and avoid sharing it by email or text. With the number re-entered in the right place, you're set to move ahead and let TurboTax recheck your return. That's all it takes to clear a typical Social Security number mismatch reject. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the issue quickly and confidently.